आता मीटिंग झाली आमचे ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट अलॉंग विथ ट्रान्सपोर्ट सेक्रेटरी हॅड ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द PWD इंजिनियर्स हू आर इन चार्ज ऑफ पुटिंग द सायनेजीस. इतले एक्सिडेंट व्हडले प्रमाणात जायत आसा. इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ ग्रेट कन्सर्न आनी खूब दूख जाता. तेका लागून आमी एकूच काम करपाक केल्लें आसा. विदीन 15 days हांवें तांकां डेडलायन दिला. ऑल सायनेजीस in important places should be in place. As regards installation of cameras, henceforth whoever breaks the rule, it will be recorded on those cameras. We are also going to issue a public notice, and once public gets the notice that camera install kelle asa, मागीर तांकां automatic challenge येतले when they break the rules. So it is going to be with use of artificial intelligence. All this is being done, and several other steps we are initiating. I don't want to give full details. I came only for this meeting because I am very much concerned. Itle accidents jata, we cannot have this type of situation happening. So whatever steps that are necessary are being taken. Shortly we will also be calling the Goa State Safety Council meeting as to also to take opinions from all the members. आनी कितें कितें आमी मायजूय करपाक शकता आनी कितें इम्प्लिमेंट जालां आमी हेजे पयलीं डिसायड केलें कितें इम्प्लिमेंट जावना आनी एक्सिडेंट कशें जाता तितले कमी करपाचें तेंय आमी तेजेर डिस्कशन चालू आसता.